So, welcome, Saujanya. We are so proud to have you here today. And more prouder because in such a short span of time, I witnessed your journey going from total somebody who was doubting herself and who was not able to create any monetization out of your healing expertise to creating such a big victory, success,
Really.
getting the people inside your community for one-on-one healing. It's a great win. So I want you to talk to our people and let us know how is it for you working with us? What was not working outside? What happened within the community with Sonamini?
Yeah, with Sonamini, I'm very proud to be in your community. I have in spiritual journey, but yes, but this time I thought that what should happen. I don't know about the cord cutting. I'm searching for it. In that time you came. That day you have given the script of tapping and this no for amount for the clients receiving. वो करके मैं सो गए. The second day within 24 hours, before 24 hours only. This one person call me, an unknown person, not even. I want to talk to you. I want to. So no, कहीं देखा होगा, कहीं सुना होगा. Better, I don't know. He came, and he asked for her daughter, his daughter मैरिज. आई टोल्ड मैच माइनस सेंस करे तो उसका तो रिजेक्शन सब कुछ एनर्जी से मैंने कॉर्ड कटिंग करके चले भेज दिया. मैं कुछ नहीं पूछा. ठीक है, शादी है ना, अच्छा ही काम है. चाहते ही जो रिजेक्ट हुआ समझे ना, वो शादी फिर बात करे. सो इमीडिएट आकर मैरिज करना है, मेरा मेरा बेबी का और वो बेटी का, तीनों का 3 lakhs पेमेंट करके नेक्स्ट डे वी आर कमिंग बोल के उन्होंने करते. मैं तो सोच ही नहीं रहा था कैसे करूं, क्या हुआ बोल के रियली. सो मैंने क्या किया, क्या एक पर्सन ने कॉल करके मुझे पूछा, अब हमारे कम्युनिटी व्हाट डिड यू डू, हाउ अट्रैक्ट दैट पीपल. मैंने
I was
कुछ
watching you were daily and continuously you were promoting cord cutting as we taught
yes
you in the I think session 7, and you
yes
started promoting that, and at the back end you were doing this EFT tapping work plus cord cutting with all your previous peers.
Just I told only single thing, but simple practice that. मैंने श्री सैनी जी को मैंने पूछा.
Yes.
They came for help. I want to help them. Please remove the. I'm doing the work what has Sonamini given, but please help me in this process बोल के उसको पूछा. कैसे कट किया, कैसे उनका हुआ, समझ में नहीं आया मुझे तो.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Beautiful.
Immediately they
That
got
energy is always, I always told you, it's all the power of symbol. You just have to surrender, become the vessel.
yeah,
Amazing,
then
Sojan.
they went home, and the second day, after within 48 hours, they sent 2 people for me. Same,
Wow.
some
Wow.
other.
So word of mouth.
Yeah.
Organically, you
So
created more.
within 48 hours, I earned 5 lakhs. After
Oh,
that,
wow.
client, आपका टैपिंग क्लाइंट के लिए आपका टैपिंग और मेडिटेशन चाहिए ना. आफ्टर दैट दिस
Yes.
आल्सो कॉर्ड कटिंग
EFT.
एंड सिंबल्स. या
Yes.
सिंबल्स आल्सो. या सो आई एम वेरी
Wonderful. So, Janya, you did such an amazing justice to the modality, plus the practices, plus everything taught to you. And that is the reason
Thank
we
you,
got
And
you
the
Sonamini.
here in
best
such a
Really,
part,
short span of
you
time.
are really at a time.
People
I'm
take months
searching.
to reach here to share actually monetization success.
Thank
What
you.
else, Sojanya? What has improved in your life with cord cutting and tapping techniques we teach
मेरा
you?
कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ गया.
Wow.
सॉल्यूशन
Mm-hmm.
पहले से भी मैं एक ब्लॉक क्लियरेंस वही करती थी, मगर
Mm-hmm.
कभी भी आगे तो लो फील हो रहा है. इमीडिएट व्हेन आई फील लो, आपका टैपिंग और मेडिटेशन स्टार्ट कर लेता हूँ. सो शाम तक. नहीं तो ओवर
but
हेवी वेट तो ग्राउंडिंग
You
करके.
keep ruminating the entire day, but now you have got to audio podcast
ऑडियो
लगाओ and
ऑडियो से ना, ऑडियो से पूरा वो ऑडियो उसमें उस टाइप का कौन सा मैच हो रहा है वो देख कर वो कर लेता हूँ.
wonderful, Sojanya. Wonderful.
wonderful.
Thank you
दिस
so
इज
much
द
for
So
being amazing
beautiful.
student.
या थैंक यू सो. बट इतना ज्यादा मुझे है नहीं, जितना है उतना मैं कर लेता हूँ. वो जीनोग्राम वो सब इतना. यस्टरडे आई अंडरस्टैंड द जीनोग्राम फॉर द मदर साइड.
Yes.
पूरा मैंने पूछ लिया था क्या नाम है. पूरा 6 जनरेशन का भी मुझे अब है. सो
Wow.
उनका एनर्जी भी मैं
Wonderful.
ले सकता हूँ. मगर एक बात सुनने में इतना कैच अप नहीं
But
करता.
hats off to your action taking.
Yeah.
Because बहुत सारे लोग सीखते हैं,
Yeah.
but जो
Yes.
implement and execute करते हैं, you are a living example. That
And
is
the
the reason
best
you
part
created these
here
8
is,
lakhs.
Mini,
Yeah.
The best part here is, which I love about her, is she is not very much on social media. So are people who keep saying social media पे बहुत कुछ करना है, I think the energy with which she is operating, the dedication, the
She said,
commitment
"Na,
is
I cut
making.
the cords, I give the symbols, and then
Yes,
I ask for the guidance." She
Yeah,
did the
that
this
real
is
work,
beautiful.
ना बहुत कुछ नहीं करने
I
ये
asked
तो
Sri Shaini ji, I don't know where are you, but they came for help.
super,
Please help them.
Wow,
super,
Okay,
super,
Puchka. The work has done and my work also done.
lovely, lovely.
beautiful.
Thank you.
So, Saujanya, in last 2.5 months, how much money you have created with cord cutting?
With cord cutting, this 5 lakhs and
Okay.
the another thing, chota chota, तो एक 90,000, एक 1,41,000. ये मेरा money.
Super,
Wow.
so
This is not chota
amazing.
chota. Wow. This is so beautiful results that you are
You know,
creating.
money is
Beautiful.
energy. There is no chota, no
Yes.
bada. The thing is, you have opened the abundance portals
Yeah.
and now it is continuously flowing towards you. Amazing.
Thank you so
So
much.
congratulations on your success, and we'll keep inviting you the more success you are creating in any area of your life, right? Thank you so much for coming. It's not only about, creating big results, but creating impact so that we reach maximum of people to let them know that yes, this is one framework, one modality, one energy work which can ease out the entire effort which people put in creating any kind of success in any area of life. So thank you for making this cord cutting a huge success.
Really, the
Right.
cord cutting is
Love
a
you so much.
transformation which that is.
Yes, yes.
So the
Thank you.
Thank you,
ancient
Saujanya.
wisdom
Thank you.
Thank you for that.
rejuvenated, and we are so blessed to take it to the world. Thank you so much, Sujanya.
Thank you, Saujanya.
Thank you, Sonamini. Thank you so much.